Math Magic 2. This is the lesson 11, Lines and Lines, from page 84 to 89. Page 84. Whose line is it? This page has pictures of 3 children who are showing different types of lines using cricket stumps. In cricket, the stumps are the 3 wooden sticks that are placed upright in the ground to form the wicket. These lines are also shown in the notebook pages. Let's begin reading this page. Today, there is a cricket match in Fatima's school. Fatima, Jasbir and Raima have each brought their own stump from home. They keep these in a corner of the room. Fatima keeps her stump in standing position. Picture shows Fatima is sitting on her knees, touching the ground and holding the stump in standing position. Jasbir keeps his stump in slanting position. Picture shows Jasbir is sitting on his feet and holding his stump in slanting position. Slanting position is neither standing nor sleeping. Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. Picture shows Raima is lying on her stomach and her legs are bent upward. She is holding her stump in sleeping position with one hand. To show others how they have kept their stumps, they draw lines in a notebook. Picture shows 3 pages of notebook. Each page shows a line. Faces of Fatima, Raima and Jasbir are also shown near the notebook pages. Fatima draws a standing line. Jasbir draws a slanting line. Raima draws a sleeping line. Question. Match the picture of each child with the correct line. Page 85. Here are some standing lines, slanting lines and sleeping lines. Picture 1 shows standing, slanting and sleeping lines arranged in rectangle-shaped boxes kept one over the other. Now, draw some more such lines. Picture 2 shows Jasbir is drawing a line using pencil and pencil box on the paper, which is kept in front of him. He is saying, "I can draw lines with the side of my pencil box." Picture 3 shows Raima is drawing a line with pencil on the paper which is kept in front of her. She is saying, "I will try to draw lines with only my hand." Picture 4 shows Fatima has a scale in her left hand in upward position and some crossed lines are drawn on the paper which is kept in front of her, and next to it there is a pencil. She is saying, "I can draw lines with a scale." Picture 5 shows a board in which some dots are drawn at equal distance in lines and columns. A semicircle is made in the top right side corner by joining 3 dots. Standing near this board, Ekta is joining the dots to make line. Ekta's lines are not straight. These are curved. Draw more curved lines by joining the dots. Page 86. Fun with lines. Jigyasa has a clock. She can read the time written in numbers and also the day of the week. The numbers and letters are made with straight lines. Picture 1 shows a table clock showing the time 12:30 and THU written below the time. Jigyasa made more numbers and letters with used matchsticks. Picture 2 shows Jigyasa is sitting on the floor with a bunch of matchsticks in her left hand. Some matchsticks are lying on the floor and one matchstick in her right hand. She is making number 8 with matchsticks and she has already made letters A, B and number 9. In picture 3, Jigyasa is holding a bunch of matchsticks in her right hand and her left hand is wide open. She is saying, "Come, make some more." Instruction 1. Collect used matchsticks. Have fun making numbers and letters with these. Question 1. Is there any number or letter that you cannot make with matchsticks? Left side of this question 32 is written with matchsticks. Instruction 2. Now write some numbers using straight lines. At the right side of this, there is a small picture of a circle. Inside this circle, 2 slanting lines are crossing each other and from their meeting point, an arrow is passing with arrowhead pointing towards right. Question 2. What about writing letters using straight lines? Which ones are easy? Question 3. Find out where else numbers and letters are written with straight lines. At the right side of this question, there is a small picture of a circle with a triangle inside. Inside the triangle, there are 5 tiny standing lines and 2 sleeping lines crossed at the top and bottom. This is a sign of railway crossing. Page 87. Dancing lines. Ramya saw a traffic policeman giving directions to vehicles. Picture shows a traffic policeman standing on the dais wearing uniform and his right arm is bent upward from elbow and his left arm is wide open. Question. Does a traffic policeman sometimes make curved lines? Below this picture there is a small black ant who is saying, "Look at his arms. They look like standing and sleeping lines." Ramya tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made many straight and curved lines. It was fun. It looked like dance. Instructions. Try the dance steps given here and enjoy like Ramya. There are 5 pictures showing 5 dance postures. In picture 1, the left arm of the dancer is upward and in curved position with palm bent towards the head. The right arm is slanting downward, little away from the body, and hand is bent at the wrist towards ground. Left leg is slightly bent at the knee and right leg is slanting forward with heel touching the ground and toes pointing upward. Next 4 pictures are drawn using lines and circles. In these pictures, smiling face is drawn inside a small circle. Body is drawn by straight lines, arms are drawn by sleeping lines, and legs are drawn by slanting lines. In picture 2, Both arms are wide open in straight line with shoulders and hands bent upward from wrists. Both legs are wide open and slanting in opposite directions and bent at the knee. Both feet are also pointing in different directions with heels facing each other. In picture 3, left arm is wide open in straight line with shoulder and left hand is bent upwards at the wrist. Right arm is bent at the elbow and palm is in front of the chest with fingers facing earth. Position of legs and feet remains same as in picture 2. In picture 4, left arm is slanting away from the body and palm is pointing towards the ground, and right arm is slanting away from body but bent towards body from the elbow. The right hand is bent down towards the ground from the wrist and palm is facing the body. Position of legs and feet remains same as in picture 2. In picture 5, left arm is bent towards the chest with palm in upward position. Right arm is bent upward with palm in standing line over the head. The heels of both the feet are joined together. Dancer standing on toes and legs are slightly bent at the knee in opposite direction. Footnote: several classical dance forms such as Bharatanatyam and Odissi use geometrical movements. Children can be encouraged to look for different lines or shapes in pictures or TV programs. Page 88. Designs with dots. This page has a picture of a board covering the whole page, with dots arranged at equal distance in standing and sleeping lines. Instruction: join the dots with curved or straight lines. Make your own designs. In the left top corner, a picture of fish is made by joining dots with curved and straight lines. In the middle of the board, 3 triangles joined at one point is made by joining dots with straight lines. In the left bottom corner, a 4-petal flower is made by joining dots with curved and straight lines. At the bottom of right corner, a lady is sitting and making a colorful design of alpana or rangoli using colored powder to join the dots in straight lines. Page 89. Lines in pictures. More than half of this page has a square-shaped box with pictures of tree, bullock cart, monkey, bird, snake, and females drawn using lines. There are 9 females in the picture. Their faces are in the shape of circles. Upper and lower body is drawn with 2 triangles joined at the tip, and slanting lines are used to draw their limbs and hands. There is a tree in the middle of the picture which is drawn by 2 slanting lines forming an upside-down V and branches with outward slanting lines. Each branch has few curved lines on both sides on which leaves are shown by tiny slanting lines. On left side of the tree there is a bird, and on right side of the tree there is a monkey. At the top left side of the tree, a bullock cart is drawn with lines and circles. Below the bullock cart, 6 females are dancing in a curved line formed by interlocking their hands, and they all are wearing bangles. At a little distance, in front of these 6 dancing females, 7th female is playing a dholak. Next to her, 8th female is playing a bean or pungi. At the top right corner, 9th female has a bowl of seeds in her left hand, and she is sowing seeds using her right hand. Nancy saw these pictures made by folk artists. Instruction 1. Look for different types of lines: curved, standing, slanting, and sleeping. Instruction 2. Draw some more pictures like these.